Welcome to Troy Draws Things. It's that time of the year. Christmas is right around the corner. It's rushing on in. Halloween just happened and Mariah Carey has already sprung forth from her year-long slumber and is ready to serenade you with Christmas songs. So with Christmas rapidly approaching, I thought it was time to share some ideas for Christmas gifts for artists for this year. So this video is going to be for anybody who has an artist friend that they want to get a gift for, but they just don't know where to start. It's also going to be great for artists who have people in their lives that want to get them gifts but don't know how. You can send this to your friends and family, give them an idea of things you might like. Alright. So the first item I'm going to suggest, travel bag of some sort for carrying art supplies. There are tons of different options when it comes to bags. Probably an over-the-shoulder messenger bag is probably going to be best. Something like this guy here. Caught on the arm. This is actually what my wife gave me this year. It can fit sketchbooks, my iPad, all sorts of drawing instruments in here. It's tons of space, it's really great, and I love it. I can go anywhere and take all my art supplies with me. By the way, I'll be leaving affiliate links down in the description for a lot of this stuff. So if you see anything you like, check that out and it'll help support me and this channel. Another thing my partner gave me along with the bag was a travel set of watercolors. This guy's just a nice small box, you know, about the shape of a phone. A lot thicker though, but this could even fit in a pocket. Open it up like that, and you got a nice little palette with all your paints in there. Even comes with a little brush. Sounds great for anybody who likes watercolors already or just wants to dabble in any other kind of style. So the third recommendation, sticking with the theme of travel, is a travel sketchbook. Something relatively small in form factor that they can slide in the bag or maybe even in a pocket. This right here is an example of something that would be good as a travel sketchbook. It's small. This guy right here probably won't fit in a pocket, but it'll fit in just about any bag you can think of. Something you can carry with you all the time and always have something ready for when inspiration strikes. Another idea is a more premium sketchbook. I'm sure we're all used to going to Walmart or Michael's and seeing the basic sketchbooks with the spiral. You know, a nice sketchbook can be really handy. I really like the Strathmore Soft Touch sketchbooks. They come in a few different versions, mixed media, sketch, watercolor, I think. They have sturdy paper. Strathmore is a brand known for its paper, and I love the feel of the book. I love how they hold up. Now, all of these ideas are relatively inexpensive. Any of this stuff you could definitely do under $100. A lot of it you can do under $25. I am gonna throw in one idea that's a little pricier, but it would be a really great Christmas present for someone who's close to you. Anybody who might be into digital art, if they don't already have something like this, an iPad would be a great idea. And it doesn't have to be an iPad Pro. Most of, if not all, the latest gen iPads are compatible with the Apple Pencil. So there's a variety of price points. I think the least expensive one is around $300, maybe $400. That would make a great gift for somebody close to you. There are plenty of free or low-cost iOS apps available for iPad. They'll have a ton of creative freedom when they start using it. There you have it. 5 gift ideas for artists this year in 2021. If you like those, hit that like button. If you're inspired by any of these ideas, check out the description below for links, and I will see you next time.